Hi everyone, it's Alton here. Today I'm going to show you how to take proper panning photography pictures. So with panning photography, you will have a whole new perspective of daily life objects, and this kind of photography method is also useful for capturing the motion and also the dynamics of your objects. And now let's begin. The most important point is that the object should have a vertical or horizontal movement as opposed to your eye, which means that they're moving horizontally or vertically. Like even a rocket or an athlete, they should be moving in this motion so that you can capture it accordingly. The second point is that you should be equipped with a camera that has a control over its shutter speed, because you will need to reduce its shutter speed from time to time. It should also possess a continuous focusing system and also a burst mode when you are taking the pictures. Here I will show you the Canon as an example. So in the Canon, in my Canon camera, I have set it to the burst mode with a continuous focusing system, as well as reducing the shutter speed, as you can see here. Another point to note is that if you are going to take panning photography pictures, it's better if you are equipped with a tripod, because it reduces the vibration and also other disturbance during the photo shoot. Another point to note is that you should also be much patient. But when you're shooting it at night, you have to be really careful about the shutter speed so that you can capture sufficient light. If you are capturing the picture under direct sunlight, you may wish to use a CPL or ND filter as to reduce the amount of light entering your camera. Here is an example. You can take a look at Hong Kong International Airport. I'll see you next time.